ico nä twaria namo ũhoro wa security ũrĩa tũkwenda bũrũri ũyũ ũkorwo ũrĩa bũrũri na ithuĩ andũ a security sector twĩbangĩte nĩguo gũgĩũka hĩndĩ ya ithurano ya mwaka wa ithurano wakĩanjia later this week tũkorwo twĩbangĩte kuhakikisha gũtirĩ kũndũ thĩinĩ wa kona ya bũrũri ũyũ witũ ĩgũkorwo na thĩna wa hate speech, ĩgũkorwo na thĩna wa ateti kũgĩa mĩkora yao ya kũmagitĩra, ĩgũkorwo na thĩna ya kwaga tolerance ya kĩsiasa. Na nĩ mũĩ kuma kĩndũ mweri wa 10 nĩ tũkoretwo nginya na forum tũcemanagia tũrĩ andũ othe arĩa ahusika a ithurano nĩguo twĩbange o mũndũ amenye akathakĩra mũbira kona ĩrĩkũ nĩguo end game ĩkorwo nĩ ũhotani kũrĩ Kenya, kĩthurano kĩ peaceful, fair and credible. Na nĩguo maũndũ macio nĩ tũramenya matongoragio nĩ andũ a ngao, nĩ andũ a security, nĩkĩo rĩu tũracira namo na ta Kĩrĩnyaga nĩ twĩ-commit twauga ngao na andũ a borithi tũgũkorwo kaunti ya mbere ĩkũthiĩ through election period ĩtena mbara, ĩtena andũ maragucanĩria, nĩguo tuonie andũ it can be done.
Bwana Pierce amesema kwamba we need to put our county in the limelight ya kuwa na usalama wakati wa beyond the Christmas, beyond the New Year holidays, wakati wa hii msimu ya siasa hii tunaenda, kwa sababu most of the time and what the entire country is looking at, I'm surprised, ni kama kamera zote za country mzima Kenya zimeegezwa hapa Kirinyaga, zimeangalia Kirinyaga County, and Kirinyaga County where the competition is very high amongst women and men, where we believe in equalities. Hata nikiangalia hapa katikati yenu tuko wamama wengi na tuko na wazee wengi, and also we have vijana ambao wako katikati yetu ambao they are also leaders in their own respective areas. Kirinyaga is a county of equality. As much as it is a county of equality, and we reflect that in every area, in every realm. Hata ukiangalia katika PSS, we have 2 gentlemen and we have 2 ladies. So now in every realm we are represented equally. Let us also show that we have equal amount of peace, love and unity amongst the people of Kirinyaga. Hiyo ndio ningeomba, na kwa sababu nyinyi ndio mnaishi sana na watu every day in day out, let us preach peace out there, let us preach unity out there. Na watu wakichagua wachaguane, it doesn't matter who you're going to pigia kura, lakini let us have cohesion before and after the elections. Above that, mimi ni mmoja wa wale wanasema kizuri kiitwe kizuri na kibaya kiita nini? If the government has worked, let us appreciate and say they have worked. Especially in Kirinyaga, we have seen the work that the government in place has done. Let us not close our eyes. Let us not pretend that we cannot see what